Hi, everyone. Welcome to our easy English listening and speaking practice. After coming back from their big camping adventure, Tom and Lina sit down in the hotel lobby to relax. But Lina keeps making the funniest English mistakes ever.
Finally, soft chairs. My pack is so happy.
Same. I feel like this chair is hugging me.
Oh, you look comfortable.
Yes, but Tom, I think I made many mistakes today.
Mistakes? Like what?
I said, the forest is very noisy quiet.
Noisy quiet?
I didn't know which word to choose.
It's okay. That's funny. Not wrong.
And I said, my legs are delicious.
Delicious? You mean tired.
Yes, tired.
Delicious legs would be scary.
I know.
Don't worry. We'll fix the mistakes together.
Promise?
Promise.
Good, because I have many mistakes.
Great. More practice for us.
I hope it will be fun.
Okay. Let's start simple. How was the river today?
It was very, very spicy.
Spicy?
Not spicy?
No. Rivers are not spicy.
What word is the opposite of calm?
Oh, you mean rough.
Yes. The river was rough.
That's better than spicy.
But spicy river sounds exciting.
Not for swimming.
True.
Let's practice more words later.
Thank you for not laughing too much.
I'm trying.
Try harder.
I can't promise that.
Then I'll give you spicy water.
Please no.
Okay.
Tell me about your favorite moment from yesterday.
Yesterday. Oh, I like when we climbed the mountain tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Wait, not tomorrow, not today.
You mean yesterday we climbed the mountain.
Yes, that.
Time words are tricky.
Very tricky. My brain is on vacation.
It should come back.
Maybe tomorrow yesterday.
Lina,
Sorry.
let's practice. Yesterday equals past.
Yesterday equals past.
Good.
Tomorrow equals future.
Yes.
Today equals confused.
Only for you.
Okay.
True. Your pronunciation has improved.
Really? Say again.
You said tree very well today.
Thank you. I practiced 3 and tree.
Great. Say 3 trees.
Tree, 3.
Close.
Wait, 3 trees.
Perfect.
My tongue is dancing.
Tongue dance is good for English.
I need more tongue dance.
That sounded weird.
Sorry.
It's okay. It's funny.
English is difficult.
But you're learning fast.
Thank you for teaching me.
Anytime.
Next time, squirrel.
Oh no. Are you hungry? Dinner is soon.
Yes, I am very angry.
Angry?
Yes, my stomach is shouting.
You mean hungry.
Hungry, angry, they feel similar.
True, but they are different.
So I'm hungry, not angry.
Good.
But maybe angry if no food.
That is called hangry.
Hangry?
hungry plus angry.
That's me, hangry. Bring food or I will be dangerous.
Dangerous, Lina?
Yes, very strong, very hungry.
Okay, I'll order food now.
Good, you saved my life.
We need to check in for tomorrow's bus.
Check in? But we already checked in the hotel.
This is different.
So we check into the bus hotel?
Not a bus hotel.
A hotel bus?
No,
I'm joking.
you scared me.
So check in means confirm, right?
Yes, confirm or register.
Okay, so I check in my life with you.
What?
I confirm we're friends.
Oh, yes, you can check in our friendship.
Good, approved.
Thank you, Manager Lina.
Please leave a 5-star review.
Always.
Good service.
How do you feel now?
I feel very good,
I feel very good. No am.
but I am happy.
Yes, I am plus adjective.
And I plus verb?
Exactly.
English is like a puzzle.
A big puzzle.
My puzzle pieces are lost.
I'll help you find them.
Good. I need a puzzle assistant.
That's me.
Salary?
Free.
No salary?
Just friendship.
Okay. Friendship contract signed.
Good.
Let's fix my grammar piece by piece.
The lobby feels nice, right?
Yes, it's very cold.
Cold?
I mean cool.
Cold means freezing.
Cool means comfortable, right?
Yes.
So I am cool.
You are cool.
And you?
I'm cool too.
Good. Two cool people.
In a cool lobby.
Not cold.
No, not cold.
But I want ice cream.
That is cold.
And I still want it.
I'll get one for you.
Cool.
Do you want to go to the restaurant now?
No, it is very full today.
Full?
Yes, many people are working.
Oh, you mean busy.
Busy means many things to do.
Yes,
Full means no space.
exactly.
So my stomach is full
Yes.
and my brain is busy.
Nice sentence.
But sometimes my brain is empty.
Everyone feels that sometimes.
Good. Not only me.
Never only you.
Let's eat later,
Sure.
after my brain is not busy.
Are you tired?
No, but I am boring.
You mean bored?
Bored means I need something fun.
Yes.
Boring means I am not fun.
Yes.
Oh no.
Don't worry, you're not boring.
Good. I don't want to be boring, Lina.
Impossible.
I can be silly, not boring.
Very silly.
Hey.
In a good way.
Okay.
So now you are.
Bored.
Let's fix that.
Yes. Fun time.
Let's take a break.
Take a break. Where?
Not take, it means rest.
Oh, I thought we carry a break.
No carrying.
Good. My arms are tired. English is so strange.
Yes, many expressions.
Can I take a nap instead?
Sure.
I will give the nap back later.
You don't need to return it.
Free nap?
Yes.
Nice English.
Nice, Lina.
Okay. Break time.
Rest well.
I'll try.
You were quiet earlier.
I was shy.
Or embarrassed?
What's the difference?
Shy is your personality.
Embarrassed is I did something wrong?
Yes.
So when I said delicious legs, I was embarrassed.
Exactly.
But I'm not shy.
Not at all.
Good. I talk too much.
That's helpful for English.
True.
Just don't say delicious legs again.
I can't promise.
Lina? Okay.
Let's practice more.
Your English is very better now.
Tom, that's my mistake.
Haha, I said it on purpose.
Very better is wrong.
Yes,
We say much better.
exactly.
English is very confusing.
That sentence is correct.
Good.
You're learning.
I learn very fast.
Not wrong, but you can say really fast.
Really fast.
Good.
I speak English really slow sometimes.
That's okay.
Slow but sure.
Exactly.
Step by step.
Do you want tea?
I don't think so.
Okay, no tea.
Wait, I want tea.
I don't think so means no.
Oh no. I thought it means I'm thinking.
No.
English hurts my brain.
Same.
So yes equals I think so.
Yes.
And no equals I don't think so.
Exactly.
I think so.
What?
I want tea.
Got it.
Bring two.
Good idea.
Tea time.
Did you lose your jacket?
No, it's loose.
Loose means big.
Lose means missing?
Yes.
English spelling is evil.
Very evil.
Loose, goose. Why does goose have two O's?
I don't know.
English is chaos
Chaos is a good word.
because English is chaos.
True.
My jacket is loose, not lost.
Good.
But I lost my brain.
I'll help you find it.
Thank you.
Today was fun.
Yes, very funny.
Funny means it makes you laugh.
Fun means enjoyable?
Yes.
So today was fun, not funny.
Well, you were funny.
Hey!
In a cute way.
Okay.
The trip was fun.
And I was funny.
Perfect.
Can something be fun and funny?
Yes,
Like us.
exactly.
Good team.
The best.
High five.
What time is dinner?
At 7 yesterday.
Yesterday?
Sorry, tonight.
Good.
My brain likes yesterday.
It likes to confuse you.
Yes.
Dinner is at 7 tonight.
7 tonight.
Easy.
I will not forget.
Hope so.
Maybe.
Lina.
Okay, I will remember.
Good.
What time is breakfast tomorrow?
8 a.m.
I'll say today breakfast again.
Please don't. I need to tie my shoe.
Okay. Hurry.
You can say take your time.
That means go slow?
Yes.
English is so gentle.
Sometimes.
So if I say take your time, you relax?
Yes.
Take your time, Tom.
Thank you.
But hurry a little.
Lina. You mix kindness and stress.
That's my style.
Unique.
Thank you.
All done.
Good. Let's go.
The lobby is quiet tonight.
Yes, it's too perfect.
Too perfect?
Means very perfect?
Too means more than enough.
Oh, so too hot, too cold?
Yes,
But too perfect sounds nice.
it does, but it means too much.
English is picky.
Very picky.
So I'm perfect,
Yes,
not too perfect.
correct.
And you?
I'm trying.
You are good too.
Thank you.
See? I used too correctly.
We talked about many mistakes today.
I have a collection.
A big collection.
I should sell it.
Who will buy mistakes?
English learners.
True.
Mistakes help people learn,
Yes,
and laughing makes learning fun.
I agree.
Thank you for teaching me.
Thank you for making me laugh.
Teamwork.
Always.
More mistakes tomorrow?
Probably.
Good.
Let's keep learning.
Let's keep laughing.
Thank you so much for watching today's episode. Tom and Lina made a lot of mistakes, but that's how we learn English. Remember, mistakes are normal, mistakes are funny, and mistakes help you grow.